Welcome to our channel where we teach you how to do the basic repair of your equipment at home. Now today we are going to look at how to know if your remote is faulty or to find out problem your remote is having and how to fix it. Let's get into it. If you're having a challenge with your remote, just have to bang. How many times have you banged your remote to do just one simple thing? Usually the problem is with the batteries. You have to remove the batteries and check them. If you find that your batteries have swollen, sometimes when the batteries are dead, they swell, and you see sometimes you'll find rust around them. Just throw them out and get new batteries like mine. Oh, I see something wrong. If you have a look, you see these terminals. This is the negative terminal of the battery connector, and this is the positive terminal. We have to check for the rust, and we have to make sure it is rust free. You can use your steel brush, or you can even use methanol to clean it with a steel brush, or you can use even any other toothbrush at home if you don't have a steel brush to remove the rust. After that, you can put back your new batteries and you're good to go. Always check the batteries first. Check if the batteries are not disturbing. If they are swollen, if they have rust at the ends, you have to remove the rust. So you can throw them out and get new batteries. Batteries are not that expensive. Another thing, how to see if this is the remote with any of the things I've shown you, or is the remote internal circuitry. This is what you do. Into the remote, your new batteries, and make sure the terminals are clean. And this is how you do. You get your phone with a camera on it. So you switch on your camera, and you point your camera at here where the LED is. This place produces light, but you cannot see it with your naked eyes. That's why we are using the phone to see that light. If that light comes out, it means the internal circuitry of the remote is fine. Hold your remote in front of your camera, and you can keep pressing. Make sure the batteries are in. You can keep pressing to see if there is any light coming out of the remote, like how mine is. That will show you that your remote is working fine. And you can try it out on the TV then after that. If your remote does not show any of these signs, it means you still have a problem with your remote. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you know if your remote is working or not, and how to fix it. And also don't forget to click on the subscribe button.